guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make some tomato pepper base for your jollof, your pasta, your sauces. Do you get it? Very simple pa. So just relax and let's get started. But before then, please subscribe, like and share this video. Click on the bell icon for notifications. So I have my tomatoes here that I'm going to use. I've washed them very well, and so what we are going to do is I'm going to take out all the seeds from the tomatoes, and then I'm going to slice the tomatoes. Do you get it? And then I'll blend the seeds. I'll not throw it away. I'll blend them. I'll add it to my other ingredients and then blend them. Do you get it? Okay. So when you make this in a larger quantity and then you keep it in the fridge, whenever you need it, you can just scoop it and then turn it into whatever you want. Do you get it? So let's slice all our vegetables. Okay, so please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. If you are a new person on my channel, I say thank you for passing by, but please don't leave without subscribing, without liking, without sharing, and without leaving a comment. So this is our sliced or chopped tomatoes, and this is the seeds, and then the hard part of the tomatoes also I'm going to blend, and we are going to blend these onions, and then I'm going to make use of these chili peppers, ginger and garlic. Now I'm not doing too much chili, so I'm also going to use red and green bell pepper and also spring onions. I'm not doing too much chili, and I'm also going to use these natural mixed spices. Okay, so I have my pan on fire. I'm pouring in my vegetable oil. I'll add negro pepper to it. It's a choice, you can decide not to. And I'm adding bay leaves also. I'm going to add my chopped onions. As I said, I'm not doing too much chili, even though it's tomatoes and chili base, pepper base. I'm not doing it. I don't want it to be hot because I'm actually using this for order. Okay, and the people I'm making it for, they don't want too much pepper in it. So I'm adding all my blended ingredients: the peppers, the onions, the garlic, and the all of that, the bell peppers. So I've added all of them. I'm going to stir. At this point, you're going to cover this and then give it time for it to cook very well. Okay, but once a while we'll come and check and then stir it again like this. Yes, so you can see it has really cooked down. So stir. We are going to add tomato paste to this, and this is the tomato paste that I'm going to use. Yes, so I'm going to scoop more than half of this for my sauce or for my tomato pepper base. Do you get it? And so if I make it this way and I store it in the fridge, I can just scoop this and then use it for my jollof rice or whatever sauce that I'm making without bothering myself to add tomatoes and peppers. Do you get it? And so you can try it. It's very nice, very simple. It helps you to work quick. Do you get it? Especially if you are cooking for larger people or number of people. If you have order like 50 people, 100 people, and you make the sauce this way, keep it in the fridge. When you are ready, you just scoop some and then you use. So I'm going to add my sliced tomatoes also to it. Yes, and then stir it together. Okay, and then I'm going to cover. So this is it. So let's check on it. Okay, stirring it again, and then I'll cover again and then give it time for it to cook very well. What I did not do is I did not add salt, I did not add seasoning. So when I scoop the quantity I need for a particular recipe, then I will add the seasoning and the salt to it. Do you get it? So this sauce will prepare jollof rice, okay, and it's going to be used for 10 cups of rice to make jollof rice, and also prepare pasta jollof. And the same sauce you can also use it to prepare your vegetable sauce. Do you get it? If you want to make egg sauce, you just have to scoop some and then put it on fire, add your seasonings to it, your fish or your meat, and then add your egg to it, or whatever protein you want. Do you get it? So thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. Bye bye.